In this video, I will show you machine embroidery file formats. So let's get started. Hi, I'm Darcy from Zdigitizing. Before we continue, guys, please make sure to subscribe to this channel for any upcoming videos. Being an embroidery machine owner, how many things can you count that you should know about your machine? Certainly, handling an embroidery machine might give you a pretty difficult time and might bar you from doing your work efficiently, but that happens only if you do not know your machine properly. Just like any other aspect, such as knowing your machine and making use of every part, file format is something that should not be neglected as well. According to a recent study, it was revealed that there are many embroidery machine owners who do not quite understand the file formats of their embroidery machines. Each of the several embroidery machines has its own unique file format, which becomes mandatory for you to know because you cannot just use one file format for any other embroidery machine. Let us shed some light on it. What is file format and why do we need it? Every file format has its own extension, and that means it ends with a different naming convention after the dot. For example, .PES, .DST. Now the real question is, why is the file format required? The file format is directly ascribed to the computerized embroidery. If we are talking about digitizing, then there is no way you would not come across file formats. A file, which is created using embroidery software, is called an object or often known as an outline. After processing and finalizing the file, the master file is then required to write the file for the corresponding embroidery machine. And every machine uses different file formats. Some of the most common looked up formats are: Brother uses PES/PEC embroidery file format. Babylock also uses PES/PEC embroidery file format. Bernina uses ART embroidery file format. Genome uses JEF embroidery file format. Pfaff uses PCD/PCM/PCS embroidery format. Use of embroidery software. The best thing about file formats is that you do not have to worry about it. You can use different embroidery software such as Bernina or Wilcom to convert your desired embroidery machine file format, which gives you authority over embroidery machines, and this is worth mentioning. Some of the embroidery machine file formats are Genome, JEF. Brother, Babylock, and Deco use PES/PEC. Singer, XXX. Pfaff, PCD/PCM/PCS. Tajima, DST. Melco and Bravo, EXP. These are some commonly used embroidery machine file formats. There are a lot of other embroidery machine file formats. Although we are familiar with many embroidery file formats, DST file format holds its own importance, and it is one of the most commonly used file formats. We can achieve this format using EMB file format. However, one must keep in mind that you cannot edit it back to EMB or edit it later. So if you require to make some changes later on, you will have to reproduce it from scratch. Also, make sure to have EMB file format so you can get your desired file format for your favorite embroidery machine. Do you need a digitizing service for your embroidery machine with super fast turnaround and excellent quality? Just click the link below and get a free quote in less than 5 minutes. Hope it will be helpful for you guys. If there's any questions related to this video, you can simply ask in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And finally, thanks for watching.